Hello everyone. I am Ankit Singh, student of Ajinkya D. Patil University. Currently, I am pursuing my final year in Bachelor of Technology with specialization in Cloud Technology and Information Security. Today, I am here to present my final year project, that is Cloud-based Library Management System, which is an Android application to automate the process of library management using Android and cloud infrastructure. So let's dive into it. Cloud-based library management system helps in automating the process of library management like book issue, return, add, etc. using cloud infrastructure. The main objective of this application is to minimize the load of librarian and automate the library management process. It provides security to the login device using IMEI number verification at the time of login. Using GUI interface, user need not to worry about searching books. They only need to select the option from the desired filter. When users request for a book, a QR is generated and the admin just have to scan that QR code to approve the book issue or book return request. Existing system and problems in it. The manual operations are vulnerable to human error, so it has been replaced by the computer both inside the wall of the library and outside the wall of the library. For an example, if librarian misfiles the student's record, then it will slow down the process. Manual systems are also slow to operate. Manual systems are unable to store large amount of data efficiently. This is the basic architecture of the library management process. Student can request for book issue and book return. Admin can approve the request and block unblock user. And the library manager is directly connected to the database. Java I have used for object-oriented programming. Android is an IDE which is used to develop Android application. PHP is a server-side scripting platform which I have used for connecting my Android application to its database. 000 Web Host is a free web hosting platform which provides you database and free storage space to upload your PHP scripts and other files. This is the hierarchy of my application as you can see in the picture. Another one is data flow diagram of my application. How the data flows in the application. We have two external entities, librarian and students, and others are the operations and the data stores. This is the splash screen of my application. Enter your email ID here. Enter your password here. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the field forget password, enter your email ID, then click on reset and you will receive new password. I am logging as a student here. This is the home screen of the student. Here you can find the menu options for student, that is my account, search book, my request, issued or return book. Click on my account. Here you can find the details of the user that you have provided at the time of registration, that is name, URL, email ID, etc. Click on that pencil. Here you can change your profile picture from the desired option. There is also another option named change password. From this you can change your password as and when required. Now go to book category, that is search book. For example, select novel. Click on the book. Here you can see out of stock because the availability is 0 and the button is disabled. Click another option, for example storage. You can find the book named Ankit. Click on that, book now. You can see you cannot book now because you have one pending approval. Now go to my request. Here you can find your pending approvals that you have generated previously. This is the pending approval of your book named Data Analytics using RStudio. If you want to cancel this request, just click on that and confirm. Here you can find the return approvals. There is no pending approval for return. Now click on issued and return books. Here you can find the issued books and here you can find the log of the books you have returned. Just click on the issued book and click on return to return the book. Now log out from the student portal and log in as an admin, that is librarian account. Enter the password. For librarian and students both have the same home screen. Here you can find the menu options, that is my account, upload book, block unblock user, issue or return book, approve return book or approve issue book. In my account you can find the user details and change his profile picture and password as and when required. Now in upload book, enter the name of the book, enter author name, something, enter publication, something, and choose the category. For example, choose soft skills and choose the quantity and just click on add book. The book has been added successfully. You can find the book in the category, click soft skills, and you can see the book has been added successfully. Now click on block unblock user. Select the desired fields from the drop down list view and click on view to view the list of the students. Here you can find the list of the students. Click on the student you want to block, just click on block and the student has been blocked and removed from the list of the students. Now similarly choose the options 4th year, semester, and just click on this and you can find the blocked student. Now issued and returned book. Here you can find the issued books log and the log of the returned books. Just click on that book and you can find two buttons named send, email, and call now. Just call now and you can call the students as and when required if you have any query related to the returned book or issued book. For approve now, click on that and the QR scanner will start. Scan the book and the book has been successfully issued. You can find that book in the issued and returned books option, that is the book has been issued successfully. Similarly you can approve the return request. Here you can find the information about the developer, that is what is the name of the developer, from which college he belongs to. Also there are some social media handlers has been added to his about us profile, that is for example LinkedIn. Here you can find the LinkedIn profile of the developer. Now another option is share application. Share your application through various social media platforms. Another is reach us. You can reach the developer through email also. Then last one is exit application. Just click on exit and you will exit the application. Proposed enhancement. This application further enhanced by upgrading its features like student can give rating and comments to the book when he returns the book. View the images of the book for better experience. Student can raise complaints like book issue delay, book not available for long time, book condition not good. Student can request for the book that is not available in the list of the library. Thank you everyone. I hope you like my video.